These are the answers to your cardiology exams. An opening snap is mitral stenosis. A friction rub with every heartbeat. That's pericarditis. But if it was with every breath, it would be pleuritis. A blowing murmur. Classic for mitral regurgitation. A systolic crescendo-descendo murmur. Classic for aortic stenosis. A machine-like murmur. Think patent ductus arteriosus. A gallop rhythm associated with a stiff ventricle. Is the S4 heart sound. And a tumor plop. That one's over to you. Let me know in the comments below.